I'm Nancy Laffey from Completely Quilted, and this month we are making block 12 of the Atlantis block of the month. This is the last individual block that you'll make. Next month will be borders, so join me in the demonstration for our final block. So with all of those elements done, now I've laid them out to create the center of block 12, the Anemone block. So I've continued to make my elements for this last block. Some of these blocks are just two rectangles pieced together with a large triangle glued in the corners. And then we also have just rectangles with triangles glued in the corners. And then we also have some of those specialty folded rectangles on top of a 2-inch square. These are going to get sewn with a rectangle on either side. But first, I will go ahead and glue another triangle to each corner. So almost all of these little elements are ready to be sewn and pieced together. And then I'll be able to finish my block number 12. Here is my anemone block. I've got all of my elements done. I've laid everything out. And now I'm ready to sew all of these rows together, complete my block, put on my sashings, and then take those steps to make all of my curves. So on this last block, I'm ready to do my top stitching, and there are a couple points where you will put a pin so that you can pivot to create a double curve for this month 12 of our Atlantis block of the month. And I just love it when there's just a little peek of something underneath to create a really cool look. I've already top stitched my last block, the month 12 of the Atlantis block of the month, the Anemone block. Next month you're going to get everything for your pieced borders.